So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to have a 1.5 line spacing on the Google Docs mobile app. So once Google Docs is opened up, if I just were to go ahead and type in 1.5 line spacing like this, I'll copy and paste it so that you can see what it's at currently. I'll go ahead and change this. So if you want to make sure that there's, 1.5 line spacing in between, go ahead and highlight the entire thing. On this middle bar, go to the right side, press the A with the underline. Then make sure that paragraph is selected. So if it's on text, go to paragraph. Then down below where it says line spacing, go ahead and press the up arrow to where it says 1.50. Press the check mark, and now your line spacing in this case is 1.5. So that is how you guys can have a 1.5 line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.